Ethereum value equivalent to 30,339 rands a coin. The present cost range, 29,550 to 30,578. The earlier day close, 30,276. The change was plus 63, plus 0.21%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 28,329 rands, high 30,312, low 26,346. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost 27,882 rands, high 29,834, low 25,930. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 27,773 rands, high 29,717, low 25,829. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost 27,547 rands, high 29,475, low 25,619. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 26,045 rands, high 27,868, low 24,222. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost 25,656 rands, high 27,452, low 23,860. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 25,684 rands, high 27,482, low 23,886. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost 24,853 rands, high 26,593, low 23,113. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 25,587 rands, high 27,378, low 23,796. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 29, cost 24,359 rands, high 26,064, low 22,654. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 24,223 rands, high 25,919, low 22,527. Ethereum figure on Monday, July 3, cost 24,059 rands, high 25,743, low 22,375. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 24,681 rands, high 26,409, low 22,953. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 5, cost 24,546 rands, high 26,264, low 22,828. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 23,986 rands, high 25,665, low 22,307. Ethereum figure on Friday, July 7, cost 24,815 rands, high 26,552, low 23,078. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 24,662 rands, high 26,388, low 22,936. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost 25,629 rands, high 27,423, low 23,835. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost 25,444 rands, high 27,225, low 23,663. In about a month Ethereum figure on Thursday, July 13, cost 25,875 rands, high 27,686, low 24,064. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost 26,083 rands, high 27,909, low 24,257. Ethereum figure on Monday, July 17, cost 25,540 rands, high 27,328, low 23,752. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 36,941 rands, excessive cost 37,714. While low cost 22,527. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,351. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 24,223, change for June 34.4%. Ethereum figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 24,223 rands, excessive cost 27,909, while low cost 18,923. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 22,851. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 20,347, change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 20,347 rands, exorbitant cost 23,524, while low cost 20,347. They found the middle value of cost 21,551. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 21,985, change for August 8.1%. Ethereum gauge for September 2023. To start with cost at 21,985 rands, exorbitant cost 24,830, while low cost 21,582. They found the middle value of cost 22,901. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 23,206, change for September 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 23,206 rands, exorbitant cost 27,390, while low cost 23,206. They found the middle value of cost 24,850. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 25,598, change for October 10.3%. Ethereum gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 25,598 rands, exorbitant cost 29,182, while low cost 25,364. They found the middle value of cost 26,854. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 27,273, change for November 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 27,273 rands, excessive cost 33,852, while low cost 27,273. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,009. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 31,637, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 31,637 rands, excessive cost 31,637, while low cost 26,908. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 29,779. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 28,933, change for January 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 28,933 rands, excessive cost 28,933, while low cost 22,603. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 26,193.